Hello. Hi guys, good morning. So the sun is out today after almost 3 days. So it's nice and bright today. But after the rains, consecutive 3 days rains, you can see all the trees, especially this one. This is the apple and the fig. So it's in the condition. All the leaves are down. All the leaves are down here. Yes, so they are going to come back in February, starting January a little bit, and by Feb we should have the flowers. But not all the trees are like that. This is the holy basil, so the garden still looks good. And that's the mango tree at the back. So yes, but this area is all down with leaves. You can see those. The banyan tree still looks so good. See, some dried leaves, in spite of the rain. Olive butter is here, and the pomegranate. Yeah, the leaves are down now again. Pomegranate is here. Raspberry stuff. It looks good. The holy basil. It's nice and bright today. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy.